Hi guys, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I am teaching you guys today how to make buttered noodles, okay? Again, my Jesus Dash, the Dash Express, I love it to death. All I did is I took these ramen style skinny noodles, I put 2 tablespoons of butter in here, I rinsed these, cut them up, and I'm pan frying them in here, and I put about a half a tablespoon of the HTM seasoning in here, okay? So during the holidays, when everybody's eating buttered noodles and gaining weight, you can eat these buttered noodles and lose weight because they're all fiber, they're 40 calories, they only have 5 net carbs, and look at them. They actually look and taste like ramen noodles. And the longer you put them in here, the crispier they get, guys. They're absolutely delicious. I don't know if you know anything about keto noodles, but in my opinion, keto noodles are disgusting. I don't like any of them. They're either too rubbery or they're too mushy. These guys got it almost perfect, okay? Especially these kind right here, the ramen style. They really, really do look and taste like ramen noodles. So this is just another alternative you can have so you don't have to cheat, so you can lose weight during the holidays instead of gain it. Okay, guys, we love you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you can find more recipes like this in our recipe book at HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Or if you live nearby, come visit us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're open every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.